How to multi-stream with OBS. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to stream on multiple platforms at the same time using OBS. So that's right, you can broadcast to YouTube, Twitch, Kick, and more simultaneously without spending a dime. So you won't need Restream or any other paid service, so this method will save you some cash. So first you need to have OBS Studio installed on your system. So make sure you're on the latest version. And to check your version, look at the top left corner of OBS. So if you're an older version, you can update by going to OBS official website and downloading the latest update. And clicking help in the OBS Studio, such as selecting check for updates and installing any available updates. So once you're up to date, you're ready for the next step. So now we need to install the OBS multi-RTMP plugin to enable multi-streaming. So head over to the official GitHub page and look for the version 0.6.1 or the latest available update. Scroll down to Assets section where you'll find different download options. So macOS version for Apple users, Windows installer for Windows 10 or 11, and Linux version for those on Linux. Since I'm using Windows, I'll download the Windows installer. So once the file downloads, run the installer and complete the installation. Then close OBS and reopen it to activate the plugin. After reopening OBS, click on Docs in the top menu and look for multi-output dock and select it. You'll now see a new window inside OBS. So this is your multi-streaming control panel, and you can move and adjust this window inside OBS as needed. Now we have everything set up, so next let's configure different platforms. To start streaming on multiple sites, we need to add streaming targets inside the multi-RTMP plugin. So adding Kick as a streaming target, you can click add new target and name it Kick. And if you're adding YouTube, you can just name it as YouTube. If you're, adding Twitch, so you can just name it Twitch. And then you can head over to either Kick, YouTube, or Twitch homepage and click your profile picture, and then you can open settings. And then you can find stream key and URL under settings and copy this stream or YouTube or Twitch URL and paste it into OBS. And then you can copy your the stream YouTube or Twitch key and enter it in OBS. And then you can click OK, and now your streaming is ready. So now that all platforms are set up, let's go live. Start your main stream on OBS. In the multi-RTMP plugin, select the additional platform you want to stream to. Click start streaming for each platform, and boom, you're now streaming on multiple platforms at the same time. If you need to stop streaming on one platform, just click stop streaming in multi-RTMP plugin while keeping the others running. So that was basically how you can multi-stream with OBS. So if you found the story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.